Hello everyone, I'm Dr. A.G. Maithili, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, I'm going to speak about forensic accounting. So what is forensic accounting? Forensic accounting is the investigation of fraud and misrepresentation. So this forensic accountants conduct in-depth analysis of financial data. They'll investigate and audit and find out the fraud made in financial statement. They document the entire investigation and report finding to the court of law. Forensic accountants also testify to the veracity of their finding. It is a widely applied accounting discipline that resolves financial conspiracy, money laundering, bankruptcy, embezzlement, insurance claim, securities fraud, asset misappropriations, tax evasions, divorces, family disputes, financial frauds, and debt defaults. Forensic accounting means using scientific techniques to examine the accounts of any firm or person. If there is suspicion of any type of fraud or misconduct, according to ICAI, forensic accounting is the use of personal accountant in matter involving fraud or misconduct to gather all the relevant evidence. So let us see how this forensic accounting works. So forensic accounting applies scientific techniques and accounting activities. Due to technological advancement, corporate scams have need to forensic accountant have increased. So a single person cannot execute forensic process. It is carried out professionals, certified public accountants and forensic accountants responsible for the following tasks. A forensic team collects facts and evidence pertaining to hidden forensic accountant, interviews associates, parties and employees. Then they verify the collected data and they analyze thoroughly and come to a conclusion, prepare a report. This evidence is bundled into exhibit to the presence in the court of law. Sometimes forensic personnel is required to testify defining veracity of reports. So forensic accounting, it includes investigation and then litigation support and information technology. All these three included in the forensic accounting. So now let us see the application of forensic accounting. Forensic accounting is applied in business fraud investigation, partnership and shareholding disputes, insurance claim, economic losses, personal insurance and matrimony cases. So business fraud. Business investigations comprises assets identification, asset recovery, due diligence reviews, tracing misappropriations, forensic intelligence and suspect interview. Forensic accountants strategize intelligence measures, identify offenders. These investigations require a detailed and review of documents. Fraud, tax fraud. Forensic accountant catch tax evasion. Often business and individuals satisfy income and other financial information to reduce tax liability. Securities fraud. Misrepresentation of investment commodities and stock is a common white collar crime. Day-to-day trading, pumps and dumps comes. Next comes the asset misappropriation or hidden assets. Often individuals and companies hide assets from tax authorities. Forensic accounting detect assets misappropriation, property theft, embezzlement and payroll fraud. Partnership and shareholding dispute. Accountant also examines conflicts pertaining to compensation and benefits received by shareholders or partners. This investigation involves detailed scrutiny of accounting and financial records to quantify an issue brought out in the conflicts. Insurance claim. Forensic accountant quantified economic damages in vehicular accident and medical negligence cases. They review insurance policies, cover issues, claim settlement and calculation of potential losses on behalf of insurance companies and policyholders. They investigate property losses, business losses, employee fertility claims and similar lawsuits. So economic losses and bankruptcy. Business losses typically include breach of contract, construction claim, trademark infringement, patent infringements, product liability claims, and non-compete agreements breaches. Forensic accountants probe into the terms and conditions and circumstances leading up to the dispute. They quantify the losses. In addition, accountants carry out recovery procedures in bankruptcy, money laundering. Forensic accountant identify illegitimate source of money, money laundering practices, and undisclosed bank accounts. Marital and family disputes. After quantifying losses, accountant assess financial compensation for divorce, property disputes, and family disputes. They quantify compensation for alimony and child support. For families and property disputes, accountant execute property distribution. There are some issues faced in forensic accounting. They are forensic procedures require a lot of technical and financial expertise. These investigations can potentially leak confidential details, can affect suspectful reputations. Even mere speculations of an allied generates unwanted negative publicity. And then depending on the duration of investigation, forensic accounting can become a very expensive process. Even after proving suspects not guilty, employees remain suspicious. Thank you.